Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge cells in Excel without losing data and formatting. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here many data. Now the line is multiple cell, but now we want to merge the cell without losing the data or the text. Select this cells, then go to the home menu, select the merge and center option. Then we can see we merge cells in Excel without formatting data easily. You can another merge cell, select this cell and click the merge and center. You can see here many options: merge across, merge cells and merge cells. Now I am select merge and center. You can unmerge this cell, select the drop down menu and choose unmerge. Now we can see we merge cells in Excel without losing data and formatting very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.